guys, and today we're gonna watch public freakouts at airports, airplanes. It's a big problem if you're gonna do this kind of crap. Bad things are gonna happen. You're not gonna go on a trip. Could get charged. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we got an all right rumble right here. Some lady is beating on some guy. Okay, onlookers, crew members tried to break it up.
What's wrong with you? Get up! Stop it!
Oh crap, two guys going at it. You got the females involved, and you got John with his nice plaid shirt trying to help out as well. Shit. Get out of the way. Do something. Southwest. Well, this is on Southwest, and they're trained to de-escalate conflicts. Not going so good. The guy's getting some good shots. Not good. Okay, we got some guy coming in to save the day. There's no way these guys can go on the plane together. They will beat the shit out of each other. Okay, we're at some airport. This older gentleman is getting restrained. I wonder what he did.
You treat me like a black person!
What are you talking about, dude? Okay, he's getting arrested and he's throwing out that card. Okay. Not good. Okay, this is crazy seeing right when we landed. Got some lady getting arrested. Let's see what's going on. Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay, so these police officers or security officers, whatever, at the airport, you're doing something stupid. They're going to remove you. And it looks like this type of move, this type of wrist move, whatever it is, hurts. You learned your lesson. Damn. Hey, we got someone in the we're in the airplane. One of my pet peeves, not enough room, so some conflicts can arise if you're bumping someone's seat. You know, you got to be mindful of the people, but it can happen. Okay, we got some Karen up front. What's going on?
I need to go there. I swear it will land.
Oh shit. She's talking about we better land, blah blah blah.
I will kill everybody on
Oh, you're getting arrested. Damn.
this plane.
Now, food for thought. This is an older lady saying that she will kill everybody, blah blah, and no one does anything. See, I'm in the mindset you can't tell. If it was a guy saying that, you'd have everybody on him right away. Terrorists, whatever the case may be. I think that this lady should get tackled right now. Learn your lesson.
I will kill everybody on this plane.
Need I say more?
I will. I will.
Okay, they were actually gonna tackle her, and you know what? It's gonna be a bad ride home. Because if you start doing that, and they'll just turn the plane right around, and you'll get charged. So next video, we have some type of confrontation. Okay, so we got this Asian lady going after this Asian guy, and can't hit a woman, that's for sure. So you got to, you know, de-escalate it, walk away, someone get in between them. Okay, so I guess it's her man coming to save the day. Let's see how he does. Okay. This guy is a typical bitch. I'll tell you why. He's taking shots at this guy, and he's using his girlfriend as cover. kind of bad. The girlfriend seems kind of tough too. Oh, he pushed her out of the way. Uh-oh. Now you got nasty. And this guy looks like he can fight. He got a couple good shots in right away, so his girlfriend's gonna have to take over. Translated, what the hell? That's what I got. Damn, that's a bad situation. I hope they're not going to turn the plane around, but we got at least one person trying to after that guy got so many shots on, this guy's gonna want revenge. Let's try and hope this middle guy can de-escalate it. He's winding up. Oh, I don't know if he's trying to hit him with a magazine or what. He's hot. He's a hothead now. I don't know what's with the subtitles. Yeah, and that's unfortunate. There's little kids sleeping. It's probably a long plane ride. Okay, now we're back at the airport. Let's see what's gonna go down. This is on TikTok.
One of you, but this is what they do to us. They kicked me off the plane. They called me a fucking terrorist, and then
Okay, some dude got kicked off the plane. Called him a terrorist. Now, if you're acting up, you're drunk. Yeah, and they have to turn the plane around. You're gonna get arrested, and that's that.
what a fucking ruin my life.
Okay. Back at the airport, we got two ladies in red. Let's see what's gonna go down. Potential Karen right there. Saying?
Kick these people off the plane because they support President Trump. And you got all these fuck standing around doing nothing. 30 cops over here. Rest of them going everywhere. All these police everywhere. Because they were waiting for these people to get put off the plane.
A weird situation. Only in the States will that happen.
Because they support President Trump.
Okay, so we got this crazy lady. Looks like she's doing a Ben Johnson. She's sprinting down the aisle. It's not gonna go good. You know that, guys.
This guy, please. You wanna be?
Fuck, it's a big plane too. She's off the rocket, like right there. Someone's got to do some type of wrestling move. Do like a full Nelson or, I don't know. Stone Cold Stunner, straight and knock her out. I don't know. Where's the help? Come on, people.
Me. You will see me. You will.
Okay, so now this stuff is not tolerated no more. We got two big guys standing up, and she's kind of cornered. So only two things can happen: she's gonna lose her shit even more, or she's gonna calm down. But neither way, she's getting arrested.
You care! I mean a snipe fest! You know who my brothers are? They're 3 snipers!
Oh shit! My brothers are 3 snipers. Where is this gonna go? That was a betting man. This lady's from Texas. Even when I said that, you can see it says click to Houston. I don't know. Let's keep watching.
You wanna with the fucking Marine? Let me up, bastards! Go to
You wanna mess with a Marine? What's your brother gonna do? this guy's been interrogating me. My Marine brother's gonna get on board. Like, come on, lady. Stop throwing threats around. You're gonna get arrested.
No, I don't know what hell is. I've been there 10 times. I've lived. Tell the story. You want to know what happened to my family?
Man, maybe you shouldn't be on the plane. I don't know if it's alcohol, drugs, or whatever, but not a good situation. It must be tough. Like, what? Like the stewardesses, what are they supposed to do? And
Can they not get her off?
now, wouldn't you be pissed? You're leaving somewhere on the East Coast and you're going to Dominican Republic. You're over the Atlantic, and you're almost passing Cuba, or sorry, you're in the Gulf of Mexico. Next thing you know, this lady's on board, and you have to turn around. How pissed would you be? How pissed? Okay, so we got this bearded individual taking a shot at one of the stewardesses, or sorry, I shouldn't say stewardesses. That was a slip. Steward. This guy looks like he's a little drunk Russian. I'm throwing it out there. Watch, like right now, this guy's drunk. Grab his arms, he's throwing a headbutt. Watch out. I knew it. If he connects with this headbutt, doesn't matter. You gotta choke him out. Okay, guys, that's airplane airport freakouts. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you're going on a trip, hopefully everything goes smooth because you don't want to have any incidents like this. Till next time, don't forget, please like, please subscribe, and till next time, keep watching. Peace.